Hello everybody, I'm Alex Hemby. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the transmission oil on a 2004 Harley Davidson Softail Heritage. We're going to go ahead and get started by locating our drain plug. So we're going to dive under the motorcycle near our rear exhaust, and in between our shocks right here, you will see your drain plug hiding up in there. So it's definitely somewhat difficult to get to. I believe that's going to be a 1/2 inch, so I'm going to try and go ahead and break it loose like this. We got a socket with an extension on it, but I'm going to need both hands for that, so we'll go ahead and get that broken loose. And once you get that broken loose, to make it a little easier on yourself, remove your ratchet and you can unthread it with the extension. And once you get it kind of hand tight, you want to go ahead and, or to where you can get it with your fingers, you want to make sure you put your drain plug or your drain pan up under here so you don't make a mess. And once you get your drain plug removed, you want to pull it out and inspect it for any metal shavings. You will find a little bit. This one doesn't have too much, which is a good sign. Now in your kit, you will have these gaskets, and you do want to go ahead and replace the one that is on the bolt prior to reinstall. We're just going to wait for this to drain all the way out, and then we're going to reinstall that bolt and then go ahead and get to filling. All right, and once you get that drain plug good and snug, you want to take your 3/8 inch Allen head, go ahead and loosen this up and take this out. And you'll set that aside. Then I've transferred containers here, but you want 24 fluid ounces of transmission fluid into that hole. Once you filled that up, you're gonna remove your funnel. I just want to reinstall your fill plug and dipstick. Get it nice and snug, and then you will be all finished. Guys, that will conclude the how-to video on how to change your transmission fluid on your 04 Heritage Softail. If you're looking for the how to change the oil or primary oil, links will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See ya.